Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are fine and a very good morning to you all. Today, let's discuss something new and different topic that is about food nutrition and balanced diet. Well, we all keep wondering what should we eat for a healthy and happy life? Staying healthy and having lots of energy is important if you want to do the things you enjoy. So, one of the best ways to achieve is by eating healthy food. There are important things in the food we eat, and they are called nutrients. Nutrients help the body to function properly. We say that health is wealth. If we don't have good health, we cannot concentrate on anything properly, and we lose attention in our studies and remain unhealthy and ill. We can achieve good health only if we have a good, healthy, balanced diet. So, the main question comes in our mind that what is food, why we eat food, and what food give us. Basically, a food is a substance which is useful for health and it gives us energy. A healthy food is good for your physical and mental health and it gives you energy. And you can use this energy to run your daily life activities and different biological processes occur in your body. You can see the five food groups: the fruit group, vegetable group, the protein food group, the grain group, the dairy group. All these food groups give you enough energy to stay healthy and active. Nutrients. Nutrients are basically the parts and components of food that provide energy. How does your body use food? Your body use food because your food act as a fuel for the body. All the living organisms need energy. So you can see the different animals like cows grazing in the fields. Then another example is the human. Humans have food 3 or 4 times in a day. So all the food is to require energy and this food act as a fuel. We get energy by utilizing the food and to stay healthy and survive. Food and nutrients act as a fuel providing energy for our body. So, the nutrients are the compounds in the food essential to life and health, and it gives you the energy. They are the building block for the repair and growth of the cells and tissues in your body. And nutrients are the substances that are necessary to regulate the chemical biological processes in your body. So these nutrients act as a fuel for your body to stay healthy and active. You can see what nutrients do for the body. Basically, nutrients gives you the energy. Nutrients help in cell growth. Nutrients help in preventing fighting different diseases. Nutrients help in growth and development. Nutrients help in muscles and tissue repair. Nutrients help in strong bones and teeth. Nutrients help in good eyesight and nutrients help in healthy brain and organs. Now, what is nutrition? Nutrition is basically a process by which the animal and plant takes in and utilizes food substances, or it is a process of consuming food by the organisms. Now, what is nutrition and why is it important? Nutrition is important because it is essential for the growth, development, health, and well being. Nutrients perform various functions in our body, including energy provision, maintaining vital processes such as digestion, breathing, growth, and development. So, eating a healthy diet, preventing future illness and diseases, and improving quality and length of life. Malnutrition is a type of nutrition. Mal means bad, and imbalanced form of nutrition is called malnutrition. So it has two types: undernutrition, obesity, overnutrition. Undernutrition is also known as micronutrient deficiency nutrition. In this nutrition, the nutrients are present in less quantities in the diet. So, this type of nutrition is known as undernutrition. The next type is overnutrition. It is also known as obesity overnutrition if the nutrients are present in excess amount in the diet. So they are called overnutrition. So your diet must be balanced to stay healthy and active. What is diet? Basically, in nutrition, diet is the sum of food consumed by an organism. Eating a balanced diet is necessary for a healthy life to stay healthy and active. You can see the different healthiest foods ever. You can see different vegetables, fruits. All these are necessary to stay healthy and active. Now, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet, and it is very important because nutrients in our body, if they are available in sufficient amount and in the right proportions, so this is known as the balanced diet, and this can only be achieved by eating a balanced diet. We must eat a variety of foods since different foods contain different nutrients in a varying amount. You can see 10% of the fats, 40% of the fruits and vegetables, 25% of the fiber rich carbohydrates, and 25% of the protein make a balanced diet for the organism. So, average person needs how much energy? Basically, an average person, for your general information, needs about 2000 calories every day to maintain their weight, but the amount will depend on their age, sex, and physical activity. You can see food gave us energy, so we can use this energy to run our different daily life activities or biological processes inside the body. Energy requirement. The average energy intake is different in man and woman. The average energy intake is about 2800 kilocalorie per day for man and 1800 kilocalorie per day for women, although this varies with body size and activity level. You can see ATP energy is used to run our different biological processes and metabolism of the body. Energy balance. If your energy intake equals the amount of energy you use, then you are in state of energy balance. But if your intake exceeds your expenditure of your energy in the body, so in this case your body uses the fat that are stored in your body and you lose weight. In this state, you are not in energy balance. You can see the healthy energy balance. So, the food are the chemical compounds. So, all the food we eat fall into five basic categories: carbohydrates, proteins, fat, minerals, vitamins. The five basic food groups you can see on your screen are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins, all give us energy to stay healthy and active. Let's see what our daily life looks like. Now, the first major food group are the carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the basic components of food which gives us energy. In some situations, the body can compensate for decreased level of carbohydrates by using different energy pathways. So, the carbohydrates should make up at least 55% of your total energy intake. Brain is a special organ and part of your body. that depends on glucose for its energy and requires 100 gram per day of glucose for the fuel. So, carbohydrate is a very major group of the food. You can see on your screen the carbohydrates are present in bread, rice, wheat, oats, rice, vegetables. Example of carbohydrate are sugars, starches. These are the complex form of carbohydrate, and the simplest form of carbohydrate is the glucose. Now the next major food group is protein. Proteins are basically the body building foods that are part of every cell in your body. Excess protein cannot be stored in the body, so we need to consume protein daily. Proteins are needed to repair damaged part of the body. So it is another major food group. For adults, the recommended diet of protein is about 0.75 gram body weight per day. So these are the different sources of protein. The highest amount of proteins are present in legumes, beans, cereals, rice, wheat, corn, milk, egg, fish, meat. You can see on your screen these proteins help in cell growth and repair of the body, and they are found in different animal products like meat, fish, cheese, milk, eggs. You can see these different food give us protein. The another major food group is the fats. Fats. Fats are stored as a layer of insulation under the skin. Fats produces twice as much energy per gram as carbohydrate, and about a quarter of the energy we use each day comes from the fat. Excess fat stored in body and deposit under your skin and make you obese. So some of the sources of fats are present in nuts, olive oil, canola oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil, meat, eggs. You can see on your screen fats help to provide concentrated sources of energy and help to insulate the body in cold weather, because excess of the fats are stored under your skin and it helps to insulate the body in cold weather. You can see the different food that give us fats. Minerals. Minerals are also the food group. Basically, minerals describe a whole collection of elements. It consists of calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and these all minerals are needed to build bones and teeth healthy. And the different minerals perform different function in the body. For example, sodium, potassium help to keep our nerves functioning properly. You can see on your screen calcium, iron, potassium, sodium, magnesium, zinc. These all are the minerals in the food. Calcium is needed for the growth of the healthy teeth and bones. Iron is needed for the formation of red blood cells in your body. And potassium, sodium, magnesium, these all are responsible to keep your nerves functioning properly. You can see the different minerals in different food. Vitamins. Vitamins are also one of the basic component of the food, and it is essential to our health. Vitamins are needed in small quantity and cannot made by the body. Only vitamin D can be made by the body. Vitamins are needed for various reasons, including formation of hormones and blood cells. They are needed in tiny quantities. The lifetime supply of all the vitamins you need only weighs about 250 gram. Vitamins are present in different food: dark green leafy vegetables, milk, butter, cheese, egg yolk, fish liver oil, cereals, berries, bananas, bread, cheese. You can get the vitamins from these food. You can see on your screen vitamins help to fight germs, to help in growing, to make body strong and to be healthy. What vitamins do? Vitamins are needed for various reasons, including formation of hormones and blood cells, and perform another functions in your body. The another group is fiber. Fiber is also the one of the basic component of food. For a healthy diet, we also need fiber as to help the passage of food through the digestive system. Fiber is present in carbohydrates. What fiber do? Fiber help to digest the food. You can see the different food it give us fiber. Water. Water help to dissolve the food and to make up for the water the body loses when breathing, sweating, excretion, etc. So water is not the component but it helps in dissolving or utilization of different food groups. Water is not a nutrient but it is essential or necessary for the utilization of different nutrients. You can see on your screen water is also necessary to stay healthy and active. Thank you.